Yueting Zebra Tools is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of tile installation tools, such as tile leveling system, tile section cup, decoupled membrane, and so on. We are located in Yueting City, Zhejiang Province. The environment here is beautiful and the transportation is convenient. It is close to Shanghai Port and Ningbo Port, and only a half-hour drive from Wenzhou Airport. We are committed to the production of high-quality tile installation tools, because we trust that quality is a necessary condition for the long-term development of cooperation. We have obtained CE certificates and ISO 9001 certificate. Our products mainly exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, South America, and Middle Eastern. We have extensive experience in OEM and ODM orders. We have provided service for many famous brands at home and abroad and have been recognized by customers. Our professional designers can give you perfect products and packaging design with your brand. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different market and customer requirements. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our professional sales managers about your sourcing requirements. Our advantages are high-quality products, fast delivery speed, professional after-sales service, and competitive price, and so on. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.